All right, y'all, Toxic Rides out, back again. Had to get up early this morning to come out here to this salvage yard over on Buford. Because they had a Cadillac. And I don't need nothing off a Cadillac because mine's is pretty much coming together. So it's just been a little ins and outs that I need, which I've been finding. Like, for instance, I wanted some of these that are cleaner than mine's, and then I could polish those out because mine's got a little hairline cracks in it. So now I'm looking at this car because it's kind of messed up. It's kind of clean though, but I mean, if you need parts, especially interior, let me switch this around. So if you look at the car now, it's no, the hood is not good, but the doors are pretty decent. The doors are not bad at all. If you needed quarters, I guess they got quarters. One thing that they got that factory sunroof. I don't have the stuff to pull it out because I would get it and put it on mine because it's factory, but that's not what I wanted to show you. So I went to the junkyard, I think last week, and they had a Hurst. And so I got some of the 90s trim off there because I need to redo my doors because mine's got metal on it and we ain't going through all that. But my boy came here because he needed the front panel, which I see the car somewhere over there that he got it off of. And I think he told me about this one, but one thing that he didn't look at, or one thing that I don't know what happened, but let me show y'all what I just found on this Cadillac. Little gold mine. Watch this. All right, so I walk to this side and then on the ground, I found a bumper kit. Now, I do have a bumper kit on my car, but you best believe, with the ring on it, this is coming home with me. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, and it's an OG. So you best believe I'm gonna take this home right now and leave all the other stuff that I got because this is a score right here. If you know, you know. So Demetrius, you missed this one, homie. But yo, lost my game. Toxic Rides. We're gonna do some more videos coming up soon on the LAC build. Stay straight. Yes, sir.